everybody, you are watching the channel Learn to Earn for Life.
Dear students, let us find the expression for the fault current when the LG fault is taking place on the terminals of an unloaded synchronous generator via an impedance, fault impedance ZF. You can observe here. So we'll consider a fault which is taking place at phase A, that is an LG fault which is taking place at phase A. Please don't consider here, by mistakenly I have drawn this one. There is no fault at this phase B and phase C. We will only consider fault at phase A, that is the LG fault. Let us write the three terminal conditions. First one is VA, that is equals to IA into ZF. You can observe here, when the current of IA will flow through ZF, will create a voltage drop of VA is equals to IA into ZF, and hence VA is equals to IA ZF is the first terminal condition. As fault is taking place at phase A, the other two line currents will become 0, that is IB is equals to 0 and IC is equals to 0. As I said earlier, please don't consider this one. There is no fault here. By mistakenly I have drawn this one. Let us find the symmetrical component relations. IA naught is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus IB plus IC. As IB and IC are 0, after substituting we will get IA naught is equals to 1 by 3 into IA. IA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus AIB plus A square IC. Substituting for IB and IC as 0, we will get IA1 is equals to 1 by 3 into IA. IA2 is equals to 1 by 3 into bracket IA plus A square IB plus AIC. Substituting the values of IB and IC as 0 in this, we will get IA2 is equals to 1 by 3 into IA. So hence, by observing these all three results, we come to know that the positive symmetrical current, the negative symmetrical current and the zero symmetrical currents are equal, will be equals to 1 by 3 into IA. We also have another terminal condition as VA is equals to IA into ZF, but we know that VA is sum of the three symmetrical currents that are the terminal voltages, sequence terminal voltages. So we can write that VA naught plus VA1 plus VA2 is equals to IA into ZF. But what is IA here? IA is equals to 3 IA naught. By the symmetrical component relation, we can write this as 3 IA naught. So finally we can write this expression. So both the relations, this relation and the voltage relations, will suggest us that all the three sequence currents are equal and the sum of the three sequence voltages will be equals to 3 into IA naught into ZF. Please consider this as 3. Okay, by mistakenly it has been written. Therefore, these equations will suggest a series combination of the sequence networks through an impedance 3ZF. So this is what we can write: the positive symmetrical current, the positive symmetrical network of a synchronous generator and the negative symmetrical network or the negative sequence network of a synchronous generator, the zero sequence network of a synchronous generator are connected in series via a impedance of 3ZF. Let us find the sequence quantities, the 6 sequence quantities starting from the symmetrical currents. the three symmetrical currents are equals, we can write that the EMF source of the circuit, if you observe this circuit, we can write the current through that circuit is equals to the EMF source of the circuit divided by the total impedance, that is Z1 plus Z2 plus Z0 plus 3ZF. Let us find the next symmetrical component or the quantity, that is VA1. That is by the system equation I can write that EA minus IA1 Z1. Substituting the expression for IA1 in this, we will get VA1 as equals to this expression. VA2 is equals to minus IA2 Z2 is a system equation. We can substitute in the place of IA2 and get this expression. VA0 is equals to minus IA0 Z0 is a system equation. We know that IA0 is equals to EA divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus Z0 plus 3ZF. Substituting over here, we will get this expression. So all the 6 sequence quantities are obtained. Let us find the expression for the fault current. The fault current expression is IF is IA. Here the fault current, as fault is taking place at LG fault is taking place at phase A, the fault current is going to the ground, that is IA. IF is equals to IA. But we also know that IA is equals to 3 IA0 by this expression. So final expression for IF is equals to 3 into bracket. After substituting for IA not in this expression, we will get 3 into bracket EA divided by Z1 plus Z2 plus Z0 plus 3ZF. This is in the presence of neutral Zn. If I take a case of when the neutral is absent, and hence what happens is, as Z0 is equals to Z G0 plus 3Zn, Z0 becomes infinity due to the absence of neutral. So the entire denominator term will become infinite. Anything divided by infinite will become 0. So when the neutral is absent, the fault current will become 0. Thank you for watching this video.